Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Ajit. Let us discuss the easiest trick to find number of bond pairs and number of lone pairs in the given molecules. So, before going to solve some examples, we have to understand and remember the following chart. The chart consists of 8 groups. That means here there is no consideration of D block elements. From group 3 till 12 are not considered so far. For group 1, the number of valence electrons will be 1. For group 2, the number of valence electrons will be 2. For group 3, the number of valence electrons will be 3. For group 4, the number of valence electrons will be 4. For group 5, the number of valence electrons will be 5. For group 6, the number of valence electrons will be 6. For group 7, the number of valence electrons will be 7. For group 8, the number of valence electrons will be 8. Now, till group 4, the valency get increased. So, therefore, for group 1, the valency will be 1. That means monovalent. For group 2, the valence will be 2. That means divalent. For group 3, the valence will be 3. That means trivalent. For group 4, the valence will be 4. That means tetravalent. From group 5, the valency get decreased. So therefore, for group 5, the valency will be 3. That means trivalent. For group 6, the valency will be 2. That means divalent. For group 7, the valency will be 1. That means monovalent. For group 8, the valency will be 0. Now, let us study which elements come under particular group. For group 1, famously called as lithium family, it consists of hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. For group 2, famously called as beryllium family, it consists of beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radon. For group 3, famously called as boron family, it consists of boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. For group 4, famously called as carbon family, consists of carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. For group 5, famously called as nitrogen family, it consists of nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. For group 6, famously called as oxygen family, it consists of oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. For group 7, famously called as halogen family, it consists of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. For group 8, famously called as noble gases family, it consists of neon, argon, krypton, xenon. So, based on it, let us solve two examples. Find number of bond and lone pairs present in XeO3 molecule. The given options are: option A, 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair. Option B, 2 bond pair, 2 lone pair. Option C, 1 bond pair, 3 lone pair. Option D, 0 bond pair, 4 lone pair. So, now from chart, Xe belongs to noble gas family. So, the number of valence electrons will be 8. So, write 8 xenon molecules. Then O comes under group 6. That means the valency will be 2. That means divalent. So, there are 3 oxygen molecules which combines with 6 xenon molecules give rise to 3 bond pairs, and remaining 2 xenon molecule having each electron in it constitute 1 lone pair. So the correct option is A. Let us see another example. Find the number of lone pair and bond pair in NH3 molecule. The given options are: option A, 2 lone pair, 2 bond pair. Option B, 1 lone pair, 3 bond pair. Option C, 4 lone pair, 0 bond pair. Option D, 0 lone pair, 4 bond pair. So now from chart N belongs to group 5. So therefore the number of valence electrons will be 5. Write 5 nitrogen molecules, then H belongs to group 1. Therefore the valence will be monovalent. So the number of hydrogen molecules are 3, which combines with 3 nitrogen molecules to give rise to 3 bond pairs. And the remaining 2 nitrogen molecule having each electron in it constitute 1 lone pair. So the correct option will be B. Thank you.